Alright guys, so guess what that is? It's finally here. Yeah, what is it? What is it? What is it? What can it be? What can it be? What can it be? Yep, what can it be? Let me see, what can it be? Alright. Just ordered a new front bumper for the Jeep. Cause you know, I'm gonna start off-roading a little more. So I decided to buy a bumper that holds a winch just in case I go out by myself and I get stuck and I go pull myself out. Because right now, like you see, I don't have a winch setup. So it gets a little scary if I get stuck and I have nobody to call. So that's why I decided to go ahead and order a bumper. And we got it right there. It just came in. So let's take a look at it. Come here, sir. Need some assistance and they don't want to help me. I didn't know UPS could handle stuff like this. So let's see what it is. Oh, more stuff. Okay. All right. All right. So I don't even know what this is. Okay. That's one piece. I guess hardware and instructions. And this is the actual bumper here. Oh, that's pretty heavy. All right, let's go with the ship. Pretty cool. Oh, I like it. It's heavy. All right. So, here it is. I'm gonna put it over here. Woo! Oh, it's heavy. Whoa! Almost fell down there. All right. Okay. So, the front piece. This is the bottom. Oh, this is the guard. I like this. And here's the front piece. Skid plate that goes in the bottom. So, not a bad. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. Let me see how much smaller it is. Oh boy, it's heavy. It's a little smaller. Okay. Not bad. Heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. Ah! Oh, let me see the instructions. Ah! Now normally us guys, we don't read instructions, but sometimes you got it. Let me see. Oops. All right. I already know I know how to take off my own bumper, my old bumper. The new bumper goes to the bracket there. Seems pretty easy. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go with the show. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take off all the plastic covering here, and it's pretty easy. You just got these pop, I guess, rivets, or what do you want to call them, and then so we could get behind there to the screws, and we could take the whole bumper off. Oops, took the whole thing off. You're getting. Okay, that part is off. You got the whole thing, come on. Big bolts right there. We gotta take those off right there, and the bumper should come off here. And then it has two more on the inside that I gotta get to. So you see those bolts in there? They're kind of rusted. So there's nothing better than WD-40 when something gets rusted like that. Woo! Yeah, see, I do just about a little of everything. You know, so you got to. Plus, this is the fun part of doing things yourself. That's it. We're just doing a test fit. So yeah, it fits. So now we're gonna install the fog lights. Oh, look at that strong boy. All right, now put it over here on the grass. And flip it. Look at that strong man. No, the other way. Put it the other way. Go, keep going. Keep going. There we go. Let's work the fog lights. The fog lights go right there. So we're gonna take them off. We're gonna take them off of there. Do those 4 screws, and then we're gonna put it over there. All right. Oh, so this one takes. All right, so now we got, like you saw, we got the fog lights on. We haven't connected the power though, but now we're putting on the actual screws that hold on to the bumper, to the frame. There's it right here. You gotta remember, here's the hardware. You need a washer, a lock washer, and you put the washer, lock washer, and then you put your thing in place. And that's it. You do the same thing to the other side. I like it, it's pretty cool. I gotta fix the wiring, you know. Now we're gonna put the plate that, because I don't like to show this, so I got the one that brings like a guard. Bring me that guard. So we're gonna do that now. There you go. I mean, here's where the winch goes, right here, the setup, and then fog lights go up here. But that's a future buy. And one thing I like about this one, it has a skid plate that really protects, you know, the undercarriage of the car. So like you saw, here you go, the toe, because I get stuck. So now, little by little, that's a good thing about a Jeep, that you get, you know, if you get bored like I was, you start doing things to it, just like I did. So it wasn't that hard. I say from a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest, I'll give it a 4, 5. It's pretty easy. Plus, I got the man helping me, so it's a easy project. So if you guys wanna make your Jeep look a little different, feel something new, because you guys start getting bored of the car, go ahead, do something to that. And hopefully I'll go to the winch soon and hook it up, and then we'll do some off-roading. Now I don't have to be scared. I can go myself. If I get stuck, I'll winch myself out. So that was good. Thank you guys for watching, and there you go. Let me know what you guys think. You guys like it? It's pretty aggressive. I didn't want to get the really small one or the real big one, so I got the medium size. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and see you guys next time around.